Some enchanted evening, you'll see a stranger. You'll see a stranger across the crowded room, and somehow you know even then that somewhere you'll see her again and again. Some enchanted evening, someone will be laughing. You'll hear her laughing across a crowded room, and night after night, as strange as it seems, the sound of her laughter will sing in your dreams. Who can explain it? Who can tell you why? Fools give you reasons, wise men never try. Some enchanted evening, when you find your true love, you'll feel her call you across a crowded room, then fly to her side and make her your own. For all of your life you will dream all alone. Once you have found her, never let her go. Once you have found her,